How's the ice cream, Sam? Is it good? It's good? Yeah? Oh, nice. Do you like it? Oh, nice. Oh, dear me. Yeah, that's an ice cream hat. Nice. There you go. You finally figured it out. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. That's great. Mom's got the bath running now. Okay, Sam, look at Mom. Sam, can you say ice cream? Look, I just got it on my finger. Stop flicking it around. Cotton candy ice cream. Lovely. Hey, Sam, look at Mom and say, ice cream!